this is Miss Lucas. I'm just going to go over how to get to Canvas, especially for parents. Students should already know this. But to get to Canvas, you can go on the KPBSD homepage. There's a link to Canvas at the very top. When they click that, that should open a student's Canvas. Parents, you should also have access to this if you've paired with your student. And I have a link to that in the email that I sent you. And then I'm going to click, you just have them click on the class that they're in so you can see what's going on in that class. I'm going to go to student view so that my screen looks exactly like a student's would look. They have a simplified on mine. I've simplified their dashboard on the left so that they don't have a ton of options. They only have what they need. And in here right now, I have Unit 1, and I'm working on getting Unit 2 up, and that should be up later. But Unit 1, each unit will have a packet. That's what we're working on in class. They should have a printout if they've been in class. If not, if they're out, they can print it from home. If you don't have access to a printer, they can also just do their work on a separate sheet of paper. And then I have down what we're doing each day. And then I also have made videos of kind of like the lectures that I do in class, so that if they are struggling and don't know what to do on a page, they can pull this up. Simply know that when it pulls up, it's going to say this doesn't work. Just click the top and that should load the video in a new page, and it should come up and they should be able to watch it. Super easy there. Then at the end of a unit, we always have a test, and that's when they turn in their packet. So we just had a test last Friday on September 3rd. So there's their unit test. I've got review games, and then I've also got the review guide, the answer key, so that they can study for that. All that stuff is there. So that's kind of how I set things up, and what you should know as a parent, what you should be looking for and checking to see that they have done. It's really, they do a packet and then we take a test. In the packet, there is also, I'll go ahead and open that just so you can see what a packet looks like. The packet has the cover page of what they should have in their packet and what should be done, how many points it is. The back side of that page has bonus point opportunities. These bonus point opportunities are due on the date of the test. They're due to be turned in with their packet. So so no matter the instance, this all has to be turned in together. And there's always bonus point opportunities. Students do not have to do them, but they may. Beyond that, that's really it. That is everything. So that should help them get caught up. If they are struggling, I just want to remind you that students, you can email me, contact me. I'm happy to set up Zooms, phone calls, whatever it may be to meet your needs or to set up time to work with you when you do come back to school. I'm not going to be able to get students caught up with them just coming to class every day. To get caught up after an absence, they are going to have to schedule time outside of class time to get that work made up and to learn it. Okay. Whether or not that means that they need to come to me or they can go to a friend or you as a parent can help them, I'm fine with whatever that may be. I just want to remind students that it's their responsibility to check in. I have about 130 students that I see every day, and at this point, I'm seeing at least probably 20 students out of that are absent. It is impossible for me as just myself without any help to keep track of where everyone's at and how everyone's doing. So if you are needing help, please, please, please reach out. That is the only way that I'm going to know to check in on you and see how things are going. If you have any questions, know that you can email me. My email is slucas, Lucas, at kpbsd.k12.ak.us, or you can also email my Gmail at sara.lucas@g.kpbsd.org.